Sunlight fell and reminded me that life can be so gracious sometimes. And I felt like everything around me was connected somehow. At night I hear the rhythm of the ocean as it breaks on the shore. And I think about all the things that I am grateful for. And they say, hold on to the ones you love, keep them close to you. And they say, hold on to this time we have, and let the light shine through. Sometimes I get a little bit emotional when I see love unfold. Two hearts bound by reflections of the memories they'll forever hold. And they say, hold on to the ones you love, keep them close to you. They say, hold on to this time we have, and let the light.
还有蓝天。
这边哦，夏天来也是很曝晒，热的要死。They say, hold on to the ones you love, keep them close to you. And they say, hold on to this time we have, and let the light shine through. I will tread down a lonesome track, set my eyes on the wild and won't look back. I will follow where my heart reacts, venture out to the great unknown, find a place where I can feel alive again, throw caution to the wind. I'll find my feet on the way. I'll find my feet on the way.
places and faces I've never known. I will follow to the open road. Through the trees till I see the sun.